Yeah, we can close. So you can see we have these dates as our time step. So almost completed, except we still don't have any wells. So I will create one well, double click. Okay. And name, I will call it, for example, yeah, well one, it's okay. The type of the well, producer. But if you want to, yeah, select, I want to create injector, you can also select injector. Group, if you have groups of wells, you can see the third or second level group with no other groups attached to it. Okay, if you want to make a cluster of wells or maybe regions with wells, okay, you can use this group in order to keep the new type, and we can read this. Yeah, in order to keep the new type, the constraint has to be set too. Of course, we need to set the constraints, and simulation start date at this one, January 1st, 2021, the start of the simulation or the start of the forecasting. Yeah, we set the constraints. Constraints is the condition or the operating condition of all our wells. Okay, the operating condition we can set as what we want. For example, I want to make the well to produce at constant flow rate. So the constant flow rate will be set at as the constraints. Okay, but of course, well cannot flow always at constant rate. So usually engineers use constant pressure. So set the pressure, the bottom hole flowing pressure, PWF, to be constant, and then the liquid rate will be calculated. So usually they do that. Also for injection pressure, but in some cases we can also set the the constant flow rate. We can also set maximum flow rate. So the CMG, the simulation, will not calculate above, exceed the maximum flow rate. Okay. Okay, so we will set the constraint. Check this one, and I will only have one constraint, and I prefer bottom hole pressure. Okay, I will set, yeah, you can set the minimum, but I prefer open the drop down menu, or yeah, I only have minimum, sorry. So CMG will have big freedom, okay, to calculate the bottom hole flowing pressure, but I will just give the minimum value. And the minimum value, for example, for 2,000 feet with 1,250 psi reservoir pressure, let's say the minimum bottom hole flowing pressure is 200 psi. So if the pressure is too low, below 200, the well will die. Okay, the well will be shut in. Okay. All right. You can also add another setting. For example, if you open the drop-down menu, you can check, for example, this one. Stock tank liquid, surface liquid rate, maximum. So we will set the maximum limit. For example, I don't want to produce too much. I don't want to produce higher than, for example, 3,000 barrels of liquid. Okay, so CMG will not give rates that are higher than 3,000. Okay, if you want to delete, you can use this one, delete well constraint, but I will put two constraints: the minimum bottom hole flowing pressure and the maximum liquid rate. The action, yeah, continue operating or continue production in this condition. Or if you want to set shut in, you can also put that. For example, let's check operate. If, for example, the water cut, do we have water cut here? Yeah, for example, the water oil ratio, the water cut. So if the water cut is limit will be, this will be the value, right? I will shut in my well. So the limit mode is okay. Oh no, I will, if I can, oh, okay. Okay, if the water cut is 95%, if the water cut is 95%, so the water oil ratio is 95 divided by 5, 19. So if the water oil ratio is 19, okay, yes, 19, the well will be shut in. Okay, so far so good. If you want to add a new well, you can select this one, new well. Okay. If not, yeah, we can click OK. All right. Okay. Open it. Okay. This is okay. If you want to check, you can validate. Models well completions required. Yes, of course, we need to provide the completion or the perforation. So click OK. Okay. Now we need to go here. Double click, add perf.